Hey kids, today we are going to do a quick activity using Canva application. Now how to do the activity? For that first we have to open Canva. So how to open Canva? Click on the address bar, type www.canva.com and your Canva homepage will open in front of you. Once the Canva homepage is opened, in the search bar, see over here there is a search bar. You can type poster. Select poster landscape if you are using computer or laptop, otherwise you can select normal poster. So I'll select the poster landscape. Once you have selected poster landscape, a new option will open or a new tab will open in front of you. It will give you so many different variety of templates. See, so many different templates. So now your topic for the poster is Earth Day. So over here in the search bar only you can write Earth Day and see you have an option called Earth Day poster. Now let's click and see what options you get. There are so many different posters that you can use. See, all are about Earth Day. So you have to choose the poster that you like to select. See, I like this one, Save the Earth. So I'll select this one and then okay, the template has opened. So you can edit the template now. So this is year. First let's check the year. This is 2021. So let's change it to 2021. We can make it a little bit bigger also. Let's see how it looks like. See, you can make it a little bit bigger. More bigger. Okay, Earth Day 2021. Save the Earth. Now this something is written over here. We can remove this and you can put your own slogan, or if you want you can put your own name over here. So I'll write my own name and my section. So suppose I am from 3F, so I'll write 3F. Suppose I am for 3A, so I'll write 3A. So let's make it a little bit bigger so that it is readable and everyone can see my name. Now see over here, there is a slogan written over here that Save the Earth. So suppose if you want to change something different, then you can change it by selecting it and clicking on the backspace key. It will go. So you can do the changes the way you want to. Suppose you want to add more pictures to it, you can do so. You can do many different things. Okay, so you can add pictures from here. See, there are photos, there are elements that you can select. In the elements I can write Earth Day over here and see what comes. There might be many different things. See over here, Happy Earth Day. This is a small earth that is drawn. See, so many different things are there, but make sure that you select something that is for free. Okay, so let's be creative, let's be innovative and create your own posters. And once you finish up with your poster, you have to click on this download button. Once you click on download, take the poster or download it as JPG or PNG. See over here, JPG or PNG. So I'll select JPG and I'll click on download. Once I click on download, on my poster will get downloaded.